Thank you for purchasing the Triumph Arlington Foosball Table. In this video, you'll learn how to assemble your table step by step. Before you begin, locate your instruction manual. You'll want to reference this throughout the assembly process. Check for damaged or missing parts. Call 1-800-467-1421 to order missing or damaged supplies. Gather tools needed for assembly. 1. Attach P3 side apron onto P1 end aprons using H1 bolts, H3 lock washers, and H4 flat washers. Do not tighten the bolts at this time. 2. Install the P3 playfield into the Step 1 assembly. Make sure the graphic is facing in the correct direction. 3. Attach the P3 side apron onto P1 end aprons using H1 bolts, H3 lock washers, and H4 flat washers. Do not tighten the bolts at this time. 4. Slide the P12 corner posts onto the table aprons and attach using H9 screws. 5. Attach the P7 playfield support braces onto the side aprons using H9 screws. 6. Tighten all H1 bolts from Step 1 and Step 3 using T1 Allen wrench. 7. Attach the P9 short leg support braces onto the cabinet frame using H7 screws. 8. Attach the P8 long leg support braces onto the P9 short leg support braces using H5 screws. 9. Attach the P8 long leg support braces onto the cabinet frame using H8 screws, H3 lock washers, and H4 flat washers. Tighten the H8 bolts using the T1 Allen wrench. 10. Attach the P4 left legs and P5 right legs onto the support braces using H8 screws, H3 lock washers, and H4 flat washers. Do not tighten H8 bolts at this time. 11. Attach the P10 top panel onto the P11 side panel using H10 screws. 12. Attach the P6 middle leg support to the P4 and P5 legs using H2 screws, H3 lock washers, and H4 flat washers. 13. Attach P10 and P11 panel assembly onto P6 middle leg support using H2 screws, H3 lock washers, and H4 flat washers. 14. Tighten all H2 and H8 bolts using T1 Allen wrench. 15. Thread P23 leg levelers onto each leg. 16. Turn the table over and place it on all 4 legs. 17. Place the player rods into the cabinet bushings as per the player placement diagram in the manual. 18. Assemble the P24 Quick Connect bushings. Snap male plugs into the female bushings. 19. Install the rod handles. 20. Finally, attach the P22 manual scorers to the top of P2 end aprons using H6 screws. You have now assembled your foosball table.